Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, matric number I18102812. Today I will continue to present chapter 7, Telecommunication, the Internet and Wireless Technology. Subtopic 7.3, How do the Internet and Internet technology work, and how do they support communication and e-business? First of all, we must know what is the Internet. The Internet is the world's most extensive public communication system. It's also the world's largest implementation of client or server computing and Internet working, linking millions of individual networks all over the world. Most home and small business connect to the Internet by subscribing to the Internet service provider. To point number 2, Internet addressing and architecture. In this point, they have 3 main points, which is number 1 is the domain name system, number 2 is Internet architecture and governance, number 3 is the future Internet IPv6 and Internet 2. Number 1 is the domain name system is a naming database in which Internet domain names are located and translated into Internet protocol IP addresses. The domain name system maps the name people use to locate a website to the IP address that a computer uses to locate a website. Number 2 is Internet architecture and governance. The architecture of a network system is its underlying technological and logical structure, including transmission equipment, communication protocol, infrastructure, and connectivity between its components or nodes. The last one is the future Internet, IPv6 and Internet 2. IPv6, or we know as Internet Protocol version 6, is a network layer protocol that allows communication and data transfer to take place over the network. IPv6 came into existence in 1998 with the sole purpose of taking over the replaced IPv4 protocol one day. For Internet 2, Internet 2 is a not-for-profit United States computer networking consortium led by members from the research and education communities, industry, and government. The last point of this subtopic is Internet services and communication tools. This point, they have 4 main points, which is number 1 is Internet service, 2 voice over IP, 3 unified communication, number 4 virtual private networks. To point number 1, Internet services. In order to connect to the Internet, you need to use an Internet service. Internet service provides a way for data to be transferred from Internet servers to your computer. An Internet service provider is a company that provides access to the Internet. Most ISPs require you to subscribe in order to use their service, but there are ways to connect to the Internet for free. Some of the most common ways to connect to the Internet are dial-up, DSL, cable, and wireless service. Number 2 is Voice over IP, also known as VoIP, also called IP telephony, is a method and group of technology for the delivery of voice communication and multimedia season over Internet Protocol IP networks, such as the Internet. Point number 3 is unified communication. Unified communication is the system that allows companies to access the tools they need for communication through a single application or service. That means company can use instant messaging, email, faxing, VoIP, and video collaboration from the same UI, user interface. And the last one is virtual private networks. A virtual private network VPN gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet communication. VPNs makes your internet protocol IP address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure and encrypted communication to provide greater privacy than ever a secure Wi-Fi hotspot. That's all from me. Thank you.